Old Poems of Narad. Sounds of the Silence. Where is thy song, O my soul, in its soaring? The rapturous hymn in the heart's pure space, harmony subtle and vast outpouring, celestial chant of the dawning race. In the quiet hours I hear their voices, and in the immeasurable movement of night, sound is so pure that life rejoices as silent feet come bearing light. Of this pure and immutable presence I sing, bearing the children of Usha near. Music's transcendence let me bring when the Lord shall once again appear.